Hey guys, welcome to the channel. So I'm kind of looking to do like a quick video. I was pretty excited about something that I voiced my opinion about a long time ago in a video about a specific brand. And I got to tell you, they have come through for me recently. I'm not affiliated. I don't work with them. Nothing like that. I buy their tools and I use them. They break what I consider to be prematurely, and then I get really mad about it. I reached out to them and they made it right. And I'll tell you, the customer service absolutely top notch. And it was quite surprising. So the brand I'm talking about is Dremel, which is also Bosch. Like Dremel and Bosch, I guess, are the same company. Didn't really realize that. So anyway, this whole thing started a while back. I brought a Dremel 3000. It broke after a few months of use. It's frustrated, mad. I made a video, sorry. I was kind of bashing Dremel because I was so mad it broke. I went out, spent the money, and bought this Fortum, right? Great, awesome tool. It's tough for me, though, to want to bring it outside in the tent and carving area because it's such an expensive tool. I don't want to wreck it. And two, the ability to get in quickly and move around and do the work as fast as I can with a Dremel just isn't there for me. I feel like the flex shaft gets in my way. Working at the bench, it's a whole, it's great. The Dremels though, so this stopped working a while back. Instead of looking into the warranty, I took it upon myself to take it apart, and I found a broken wire, which I did make a repair. I actually made a video and I scrapped it because after I fixed it, it only worked 5 minutes and broke again. So this thing got thrown over to that shelf, and that's where it's been. Got into doing some small carvings again and some other things. Needed a Dremel, so I bought a 4000. All right. Had this 4000 for a little over a year, and it was running great. In that time of buying the 4000, my daughter started carving bears this past summer, little bears. So I picked us up another Dremel. I picked up the 4300. Now, we had the 4300 for about 3 months, and it died. And after that died, about 3 weeks later, the 4000 died. Now I'm fuming, right? Now I've got 3 Dremels that are dead, and I was just like, you've got to be kidding me. You've got to be kidding me. This is like medium to light use. We're not wrenching on these. We're not, really just using them like crazy. We're just not. It's medium, moderate usage, and they were dead. So it was really frustrating, right? I decided, okay, I'm going to reach out to Dremel and just be like, hey, what can we do about this? What can I do about this? What can you guys do for a repair? Like, if I got to pay for a repair and it costs less than a Dremel, then so be it. Now, I have to say, customer service through Dremel is absolutely top notch. I mean, the best customer service representative I've ever had on the phone. Just amazing. Just amazing. They really were. I was quite shocked. Now, again, they're not paying me. They don't even know I'm making this video. I'm not affiliated with them. I'm not trying to sell their brand. There's no cut for me in this. I just wanted to share it with you guys because, I know so many people out there use Dremels, and a lot of people are probably dealing with the same stuff I've dealt with here and are like, what the heck? So anyway, Dremel offers a 2-year warranty. It could be a little different, so I don't want to speak out of turn, right? But anyway, if you have an issue like this, you get a hold of their customer service department, call them, and if you get the same person I did, they make it right, and they make it right really, really fast. So what they did was they sent me an email with a form to fill out. I filled out that form, wrote in the Dremel 3000, what it was doing, wrote in the 4,000, wrote in the 43, all that, what it was doing. Now, with all 3, before you say it in comment, hopefully you've watched the video this far, I replaced all the brushes and they still did not work, okay? Even with brushes replaced, nothing worked, all right? So let's get that out of the way. Yeah, so I fill out their form, I put them all in the same box, I mail them out. She's like, yeah, it'll be a few weeks, So it was like a week and a half, and I had 3 boxes, 1, 2, 3 on my porch. And I was like, what is this? It's all of the Dremels. Okay. Now the Dremel 3000 is my Dremel. This is my original Dremel. They did a repair. It looks like an armature assembly, a switch, 120 volt, a transport, and labor time. So they repaired this and sent it back. The Dremel 4000, a brand new Dremel 4000. They didn't repair the one I had. They sent me a brand stinking new one, which is awesome. I did make one mistake. Don't make this mistake. I had replaced the end with one of these hand ones I had on my old one, and I sent that with it. Because they kept the tool, they kept that piece, but whatever. That's from Amazon. I'm not too worried about it. I can't be too horribly mad. I mean, I got a brand new Dremel, right? The 4300 is also brand new. No replacement parts. They kept the one that I sent that was broke, and they sent me a brand new Dremel. They even sent the light on it, and this is, you know, this is how it comes when you buy it new. So just seriously, just awesome. Absolutely awesome to work with them, to hear me out, to hear what was going on, and for them to just be like, you know what, I realize what warranties are for. So be like, oh, you're stupid, man. That's what warranties are for. I get it, but so many companies do not have a representative for you to talk to. So many companies don't have somebody to answer your questions. Everything's automated or other things, you know what I mean? And for them to have an actual person on the other side of the phone able to answer my questions, walk me through what we need to do, and solve the problem is a big deal to me. And so, like, I really do appreciate that. And I'll tell you guys, if you have an issue with your Dremel, reach out to them, look it up online, find their customer service number, give them a call, tell them what's going on, and see what they can do for you. Don't take it apart yourself and fix it until you've talked to them, because maybe they'll say, yeah, we can't do anything, you know, do whatever you want, or they're going to tell you to send it back and they'll make a repair or send you some new ones, you know? So that's it though, guys. Just a quick midweek video. Real quick, I just wanted to let everybody know, if you haven't already entered the contest, the jack-o'-lantern carving contest, you're going to want to watch that video. I'll have it popping up here somewhere. Go and watch that, all right? I'll show you ways to enter. Watch the full video, because I'm going to be giving away this Dremel 3000. I paid for this out of my pocket, all right? They didn't give me this thing. I paid for it, and I'm going to give it away to one lucky winner. Now, you know what else is cool? Saburrtooth Tools donated some bits, some burrs, some awesome carving burrs. We're going to give those away to the same person that wins the Dremel. If you want to enter that contest again, check above for the jack-o'-lantern carving video with contest details. Watch that whole thing. Figure out what you got to do, okay, guys? And enter, because this is a great little product. And yeah, if you're carving, you're going to want that Dremel. Also, I really haven't mentioned it. That is for October, all right? That's going to be drawn near the end of this month, October 2022. That's when we're going to be doing that drawing. There's also going to be another contest, and that's going to take place in December, but I'm not going to give away all those details quite yet. First, we got to get through October, and then we're going to have a contest in December. Now, you're going to want to be able to hit subscribe. You're going to give me a thumbs up, and you're going to want to follow, because you're not going to want to miss December's contests. We're going to go a little bigger, a little bigger. All right, I can't give you guys all the details, but hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Keep an eye out for that stuff. Give me a thumbs up, hit subscribe, check out some videos popping up, and I'll see you guys later. Bye.